So this is my new set of Jane Davenport color sticks, and these are a part of the Making Faces line by Jane Davenport. And this set, I believe, is called Soul Window. And this is mixed media gel crayons. And it comes with 12 crayons. Now, I've never used these before, but they were on sale at Michael's for 60% off, so I picked them up. And I thought this would be great to play around with and maybe make some pretty backgrounds for some cards or any mixed media projects. I just want to say how pretty this is. And this set comes in a clear plastic storage container, which I think is awesome. So it opens up like this. There's 12 different colors. They're really pretty to look at, and I think this line was made to mimic makeup. So in the box, it looks like maybe like a swatch card. It is. Comes with a swatch card. So you can basically swatch all of the colors here and use this as a reference guide. I think this is really brilliant and awesome that they include this, because usually whatever mediums that I use or that I learn to use, I have to have like a reference guide for the colors. It makes it so much easier. Pretty much all of my markers, alcohol, or even permanent markers, I have swatch pages for all of the colors. So I think that is really awesome that they do that. So I'm definitely going to do that. And these are gel crayons, water soluble. And like I said, I've never played with them before. I just love this. It looks like a mascara container or lipstick. But anyways, this is, the color is Violet Eyes right here. And it's awesome that they have the colors in bold print, in bold gold writing right there, the colors. And let's see, do they twist up? Yep, they twist up, kind of like a lipstick would twist up. And I'm just going to go ahead on camera here and swatch, and then maybe I'll add a little bit of water as well. But I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn to use these. They're super creamy. So this is Violet Eyes, and I'm gonna lay down a little bit of color first, and then I will come in with a little bit of water. I think that's what I'll do. And then this one is Make a Move, or Mauve. I think it's Move. Make a Move. M-O-U-E, or that's a V-E. I'm not sure, but I think it's Make a Move. Yeah, that must be a V. These are super creamy, and you can smear them easily with your fingers as well. But I plan on going back and making and using a little water to see how they blend out. And this red color is Heart Eyes. These are super creamy. I have a cheap set of watercolor crayons that I got from Michael's a long time ago, and they're not as creamy as this is. This one is called Canoodle. It's a pretty orange color. Really vibrant colors. I was so happy I came across these. This one is Brassy Locks. This is kind of like an orange yellow. And this one seems like a really bright yellow and like a neon yellow. This is Bright Future. Yeah. Really pretty. Super creamy. And I love this little case. This one is a green called Flourish. And this one is Aquamarine. You don't have to press really hard at all. The colors are like milky creamy. This one is Limpid Pool. Ooh, so pretty. And then we have Deep Truth, which is a deep navy looking blue. And then we have Baby Blues. And we have like a purple blue. This is Lapis Lazuli. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, so I am so sorry, but yeah. It's like a deep purple blue color. Anyways, this is my swatches. I'm gonna pause the camera really quick and go and grab a little bowl of water, which I should have had already, and a paintbrush, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of water to see how these colors will act with the water. Okay, so I have my little bowl with my little water here and a paintbrush. I'm gonna grab my stamp chamois just to dab my paintbrush off on. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water and see. They really spread smoothly as well. Doesn't take much. Now, I don't claim to be a watercolorist, but I do like to play around with them. These are going to be really fun to work with. Yeah. I think using these with stencils will probably create really pretty backgrounds, and that's what I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use these with stencils. And I imagine just wetting it and using your finger. Yeah, you can do that as well. But I'm super happy about this little swatch card, because I usually go online and find a swatch card or a swatch page, because most of these companies online, they will provide a printable swatch sheet. But yeah, so here's my swatch card. So some really pretty colors, and yeah, I think I'm really gonna like these. And so I am going to work with these a little bit, play around with them a little bit, and I am going to share the love with you guys, and we can learn together how to use these colors, these gel colors. But I just think the presentation of these are so pretty. Yeah, I'm glad I picked these up. So glad. And I just love this packaging. I love this packaging. Anyway, guys, this is just my show and tell of my new Jane Davenport color sticks. Stay tuned to my channel, because I will be doing some videos with you guys, just kind of playing around and using these, and we can learn some new techniques together. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please click the link below to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And yeah, that is the video. Till next time, I will see you guys. Bye.